Have you ever wondered why some people seem to stay broke no matter how much they earn, while others just keep getting richer year after year? The answer is simpler than you think. Rich people manage their money differently. They follow specific habits, systems, and mindsets that help them stay ahead financially. And today, you're about to learn those exact strategies. Welcome to Smart Finance Mentor, where we break down money, mindset, and simple financial skills for beginners. If you want to grow your income and get smarter with money, make sure you hit that subscribe button because this channel is your guide to financial freedom. First up, rich people think of money as a tool, not just something to spend. When most people get paid, their first thought is, what can I buy? Rich people do the opposite. They think, how can I grow this? Every single dollar has a job. They invest a portion, they save a portion, and only then do they spend what's left. This mindset shift alone is one of the biggest differences between building wealth and constantly struggling. Another powerful habit is paying themselves first. The moment money hits their account, they automatically set aside an amount that goes directly into savings or investments before any bills are paid or any spending happens. It doesn't matter if the amount is small to start. What matters is the consistency. Over time, this discipline builds a powerful financial foundation. While most people are stuck waiting for some extra money that never seems to show up, rich people also focus heavily on building assets, not collecting liabilities. What's the difference? An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, like stocks, rental properties, or even a valuable skill that increases your income. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket, like an expensive car payment, unnecessary gadgets, or lifestyle upgrades that don't produce any financial return. Successful people intentionally spend more on things that will grow their income and way less on things that just drain it. Here's another big secret: multiple streams of income. Rich people never ever rely on just one salary, one business, or one client. They diversify, whether it's through investments, side businesses, rental income, or online projects. They understand that more income streams mean more stability and more opportunities to grow their wealth. While others are constantly worried about losing their single source of income, the wealthy are always busy building backups. And yes, rich people do budget, but probably not how you think. They don't track every single coffee they buy. Instead, they create a simple money plan that aligns with their long-term goals. They know exactly how much they want to invest each month, how much they need for essentials, and how much they allow for fun, lifestyle spending. This structure keeps them in control and prevents them from making emotional, impulsive decisions with their money. Another major difference is how they handle debt. Rich people avoid bad debt and use good debt wisely. Bad debt is when you borrow money to buy things that lose value and give you no financial return, like going on a shopping spree with a credit card. Good debt, on the other hand, is when you borrow to invest in something that will produce more income, like expanding a business, buying a rental property, or developing a high-income skill. They use debt as a strategic tool, not a trap. They also invest heavily in their own education. Financial literacy is a top priority, whether it's through books, courses, mentors, or learning new skills. Rich people invest in knowledge because they know that one good idea can make them more money than years of hard labor. Most people stop learning after they finish school. Wealthy people never stop learning. And finally, rich people are patient and incredibly consistent. Wealth is not built overnight. They focus on long-term growth instead of chasing get-rich-quick schemes. They understand the power of compounding, discipline, and small daily habits. While others get discouraged and quit early, rich people stay committed to the plan year after year. If you want to start managing your money like the wealthy, begin with small steps. Pay yourself first, even if it's just a little bit. Start investing consistently. Look for ways to build new income streams and prioritize learning about money. Over time, these habits will completely transform your financial life. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor. Give this video a like, and comment Wealth Mindset below if you want a full guide on how to manage your money step by step. Your journey to financial freedom starts with the choices you make today.